students for the upcoming session?
Actually, we have believed that according to the education is just not the beyond the bookish knowledge. It is just apart from the bookish knowledge. So it is the first thing that the character building and the growth of each and every student, that is the first priority in Suraj Group. Even all the parents, I want to give the message, we are just teachers, but in second form, all the parents are also teachers. They are playing a very important role. So first thing, we have to made up every child character building in the school also, in their family also. And I appreciate that our 99% parents of Suraj Group, we are connected together and always accept their suggestions, and we will work on. Thank you, ma'am.
School is a renowned school in the city of Rewari.
Yes.
Can you tell me that how Suraj School is different from the others?
Actually, it is depend on that the curriculum is totally different in Suraj School Bawal, and not only just Bawal but in all the groups. As we know that in Suraj Group there are 19 branches are running all over the Haryana, and in the school what is difference? Actually, some of the classrooms they are working as a traditional basis, but here we working for the happiness. We are working or giving the happy environment of each and every child, because the time is now 21st century and this is not the things how the teacher teach in the classroom, but matter is that how the child wants to teach or how the child want to learn in the classroom. So this is the biggest difference in Suraj School Bawal. The students learning capabilities and the methodologies by the teachers, it is eco-friendly and innovative, informative and experimental. So these are the different things it is expected in the classrooms.
Thank you, ma'am. Such an interesting reply. And one more thing, I just want to ask you that a few days ago, there was a humongous activity at your school.
Yes, ma'am.
Like the school of Suraj School, among all the branches, Suraj School Bawal got enrolled in the Bharat Scouts and Guides.
Yes.
And it is a very humongous activity.
Yes.
So can you please tell me about the enrollment in the same?
Actually, Bharat Scout Guides is the international platform of all the students, and the first attempt from the entire management, our students should be promoted not only in the national level but in international level also. We know that in defense, especially in Bawal region, many of the people, even 99% parents are thinking that in defense criteria, in defense, we have to enroll our student on maximum basis. So that is the first aspect. From this session onwards, Bharat Scouts and Guides training camp had already conducted in the school, and now we are part of the international organizations also. Here 200 students have already enrolled in Bharat Scouts Guides, and it is the biggest achievement from the Bawal region, where we will train the students, where we will inculcate the nationalism among the students, and we will prepare for the upcoming challenge also. So Bharat Scout Guide training has already started. It's a blessed and pleasure surprise for all the parents also. In Bawal region, especially no in a private organization or any of the schools, the first school, Suraj School Bawal, has started Bharat Scout Guide training from this session onwards. So thank you so much for your support and cooperation and your blessings.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We hope for the best. As per the leader, all the team members are having as you. So we hope all the best. For the
Definitely, we will
academic
do
session.
ma'am best for them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.